our much-awaited social night. Can we give ourselves and Agustaya Ship Manning Philippines Incorporated another big round of applause? Once more, my name is Mary and I'm so happy to spend this beautiful Friday night with all of you. As promised, we have a ton of surprises and one very sexy and sassy surprise that our seafarers and their beautiful mga misis will also enjoy later on. So speaking of surprises, here we have our friends from Smart who will be sharing something very important to all of us. And malay nyo ba, magparapon na rin sila ng items na inaabangan natin tonight. And so before we call Smart on stage, we'd like to invite everybody to please keep posting your photos and if you have videos with the hashtag Agustaya Crew Conference 2016 or simply Agustaya 2016. And so now, with so much honor, we present to you the beautiful account manager from Smart. Let's all welcome Miss Cheska Vidal.
Good evening, everyone. I'm